Hi friends, this video shows how to remove shipping bolts or transit bolts. We can loosen the bolts in the rear of the machine using the supplied spanner in the accessories kit. See, we can loosen the bolt using the spanner like this. Then remove the screw and bolt. Then we need to fill the hole with the supplied plastic bolt cap. We need to keep these shipping bolts for future use. So we can reuse the bolts if you want to ship the washing machine. Please don't tilt the washing machine without using this shipping bolt. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please like this video, then please subscribe my channel.